Welcome back to Craft Task. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and if you haven't yet, also press the bell icon to get all your updates. So guys, today I have come back with a new drawing video, and here I'm drawing an umbrella. Okay, so yeah, I'm uploading video after so many days, and sorry for that, but yeah, I uploaded it after like so many days. Okay, whatever. So yeah, now just let us continue. And the umbrella is not quite good, so I will make it right after some time. You will just see it also. So yeah guys, don't forget to like this video, subscribe my channel, also press the bell icon to get all new updates. And if you have any suggestions or any questions or anything related to this video or to my channel, you can just comment me below. And also guys, share this video with your friends and your families if you like it. Okay, so yeah, now let us continue with this. And now we are making a man. Yeah, so I've created some playlists, and if you haven't seen them, you can just check them out. The links are there in the description box. Okay, and so yeah, let us continue doing this drawing. And so guys, as you can see, our drawing is completed, so let us now start coloring. So now I'm using watercolor, and for coloring the umbrella I'm using grey color. So I've used black and white color, means I have mixed the black color and the white color together. Okay, so and then I got this grey color. So let's color the umbrella right now.
Found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days
So I've colored the man's face, hand and his legs with green color, his hair and his moustache with a brown color, okay, and his shoes with grey color, okay. Now I have did his t-shirt sky and his bag with that one. I have used like that gambo hue, okay, and so his dhoti I'm using grey color, and then I gave white color, and then I mixed it with that, okay, white and grey. So now I will give white. I haven't gave white yet. Now I'm doing the grey parts only, okay. So yeah, let's continue with this, guys, and as you can just see that I'm done with that, and I took white color and I just mixed right now, okay. So yeah, let us mix and let us see that how is it going to look, okay. So yeah, you can see it's like giving a little bit of another type of color only, like light gray it is getting, okay, like different from that umbrella gray, okay. Yeah, but it still looks good only, okay. So yeah, let's see what will be colored next. So now we are doing one of the houses, and I took that deep orange one, and then a plate of water and gave light shade, okay. So yeah, that is done. So the other house I'm also like doing it lightly, and yeah guys, now the door I'm coloring with black color of both the houses, okay. So yeah, one I've done and another is done, and the house, another house you could see, and next to that I've did the top part with like gambo hue, and on all the houses the walls I've used black and then grey, okay. And the trees you can see like this on the right side I have did with sap green, and on the left side I may have mixed sap green and yellow, and the bushes I'm giving sap green right now, and after it I will mix it with yellow, okay. So like light green, white green also it will get. And yeah, this house I did only grey and not black, but that two houses oranges that I have used or black and grey, as you can just see. And next to this house there the wall I have did with brown color, so half part is left. I will just do that. You can see I am doing it right now. And that the sky and the clouds I've also did the sky of only sky color, and the clouds I've did with grey color, okay. Now the road I'm doing with brown color, so let us continue. So the below portion, except the road I have did with light green, and then I have colored the grasses with deep green, and this I will make some white. You will just see. I don't know what it's called, but like I want to make that. Okay, you are just going to see, like with white color I will just color it. Okay, like drawn, I've drawn it also, but I will just color it. Okay, now you can just see white I'm doing, and this part the grasses are left, I'll just do them. Okay. So as you can just see, I've used dark brown to color this part of the road. You can just see it is a dark, right? Okay, so yeah, guys, I think now we will just complete our drawing soon. So this part, guys, I'm doing the grasses. That right side it is done. Now the left side was only left. So I've started doing that, and I'll finish it soon. Okay. And so guys, now as you can just see that I have completed doing the drawing. Here it is. Okay, so guys, thanks for watching this video. Thanks for help and support. Please keep supporting, and if you liked it, then please like it, share, subscribe and comment. Bye.